Gotta be a little careful here. I am so satisfied and happy with the quality of this exhaust. It sounds amazing, looks amazing. Huge shout out again to FIExhaust and the boys over at Eastside Motoring for hooking me up and taking good care of my Supra. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. Appreciate all the support. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Got tons of Toyota Supra content headed your way. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. Till next time, peace.